Have you ever wondered if there's a path to financial freedom that doesn't require dependence on traditional financial institutions? The answer lies in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not just a digital currency, it's a revolution, a shift in the way we think about, earn, and invest money. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any bank, government, or single entity. This decentralization makes Bitcoin resistant to censorship and interference. It's an asset that you control entirely, giving you the power to shape your financial future. Let's consider a few inspiring stories of individuals who've achieved financial freedom through Bitcoin. First, there's Mario, an average worker who decided to put a small portion of his earnings into Bitcoin a few years back. Today, thanks to the exponential growth of Bitcoin, Mario is retired and exploring the world. Then, there's Anna, a single mother who saw Bitcoin as a savings opportunity. She began to accumulate Bitcoin, and as its value increased, she found herself with a nest egg that could secure a brighter future for her children. Finally, we have Luca, a business owner who decided to accept Bitcoin as payment for his services. By investing part of his profits back into Bitcoin, Luca has achieved a level of financial security he never thought possible. These stories are not unique. They represent the transformative power of Bitcoin and its potential to foster financial freedom. So, how do you begin your journey with Bitcoin? First, select a trusted, regulated cryptocurrency exchange platform, such as Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. Second, complete the identity verification process on your chosen platform. This step is crucial to ensure regulatory compliance and enhance the security of your transactions. Third, after purchasing Bitcoin, transfer them to a secure wallet. This could be a hardware wallet or a software wallet with two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security. Lastly, never stop learning. The cryptocurrency landscape is ever evolving, and staying abreast of the latest trends and security practices is essential. To summarize, Bitcoin is more than a digital asset. It's a path to financial freedom. Its decentralized nature allows you to take control of your financial future, free from the constraints of traditional banking systems. Real-life success stories demonstrate the transformative power of Bitcoin, and with the right steps, you too can start your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, Bitcoin is not just about investing, it's about empowering yourself, taking control, and shaping your financial future. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to seize it?